Every day we buy and sell things. Moreover, many of us save and accumulate wealth. For this we need money, which plays an important role in our lives. Money must have a clear and stable value. It depends on me how much I earn, but I want to know what and how many things I can buy with my money. I want my savings to be safe, for me to be able to take care of my children and accumulate for my old age. The Bank of Lithuania, which is the central bank of our state, takes care of my money. It is here that our currency, the litas, starts and ends its journey. The Bank of Lithuania has the exclusive right to issue currency. The Bank of Lithuania decides the denominations of banknotes and coins, puts the litas into circulation, replaces the worn-out currency units with new ones, and destroys those that are no longer suitable for use. The staff of the Bank of Lithuania do their best for our money to ensure it looks presentable, is easy to handle, and is counterfeit-proof. When I sell something, I receive money, and I don't want it to be false. One of the major tasks of the central bank is to ensure the stability of the national currency. I know that every litas in circulation is backed by foreign exchange or gold. The Bank of Lithuania does its best for the litas to retain its value. We all know that there are countries in the world where a box of matches sells for a handful of banknotes. It's good to know that this is happening somewhere else. Foreign currency and gold reserves have been accumulated to ensure the stability of the litas. The staff of the Bank of Lithuania invest the reserves to keep them growing every year. The investment income is used to ensure the stability of the litas, finance operations of the Bank of Lithuania, and make payments to the state budget. Also, the Bank of Lithuania administers litas and foreign currency accounts of the state treasury. The Ministry of Finance takes decisions regarding operations with the state funds in these accounts. The Bank of Lithuania, unlike commercial banks, does not receive deposits from residents or provide loans to them. However, the central bank is entrusted with supervising credit institutions like commercial banks and credit unions that operate in our country. The Bank of Lithuania has set safe and secure operation requirements for commercial banks and credit unions. Its staff continuously monitor their compliance with the requirements. In the event that any deficiencies are found, commercial banks and credit unions are requested to eliminate them. In addition, Lithuania has a state deposit insurance system. I know that my deposit is safe in one of the commercial banks. The commercial bank is not the only institution that looks after it. The Bank of Lithuania and other state institutions take care of it as well. I don't like paying my utility bills after the deadline. I want the money to reach the addressee on time. For this, the Bank of Lithuania has created payment systems that are used by commercial banks. The central bank experts perform economic and financial system analysis and compile and publish statistical information on the country's financial situation. The data is made available to researchers, students, analysts, and producers of economic forecasts. This data helps each of us to choose a bank to take a loan from or keep the deposit with. After Lithuania joined the European Union, the Bank of Lithuania became a member of the European system of central banks. The system consists of the European Central Bank and all the national central banks in the European member states. All of them have pledged to comply with the monetary policy geared towards price stability. The Bank of Lithuania maintains continuous cooperation with central banks in the EU member states and exchanges with them information and opinions on various issues. After the litas was pegged to the euro, our national currency acquired a reliable partner. I know that the litas exchange rate is fixed against the euro and doesn't change. I like this stability. It helps to make things clear.